DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. How are you, students? Hope you all are good. Students, are you ready for the lesson? If you are ready, then let's start. But before beginning the lesson, let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
In today's maths lesson, I'm going to introduce you a new topic. Do you have any idea what will be the topic? Okay, let me show you the topic. So, today's topic is pattern. Now I am going to share you the learning intention and the success criteria. Learning intention. Today we are learning to describe, copy, predict and extend simple patterns. Success criteria. You will be successful if you can write the rules and the next three numbers in a sequence, extend the given patterns correctly, and predict the next term in a pattern. Patterns. Patterns are all around us. A pattern is an ordered set of numbers or objects. A pattern constitutes a set of numbers or objects in which the members are related with each other by a specific rule. It is also known as sequence. Every pattern follows a special rule. The rule is how the pattern works. And there can be finite or infinite numbers of members in a pattern. Let's look at this example. This pattern begins with red triangles followed by yellow triangle and next red triangle and another yellow triangle and again red triangle followed by yellow triangle. So here it is doing the same thing again and again. It is repeating. So this is called a pattern. Here the triangles alternate between red and yellow. Now let's look at the another pattern. Instead of shapes, here we have numbers. Look at these numbers carefully and guess what rule does this pattern follows. Yes, here each number add 2 to get the next number. Now let's look at these two examples. In the first pattern, what is missing here? A green circle or a yellow circle? Okay, a yellow circle. And in the next pattern, a duck, turtle and frog. Again a duck. So what comes next? Can you guess? Yes, a turtle and a frog. Let's learn describing number patterns. If a number pattern is going up, it is increasing, and if a pattern is going down, it means decreasing. Let's look at some examples. Describe the following patterns. In this pattern, it is starting from 12. From 12 to 19, we are adding 7, and from 19 to 26, we are adding 7, and 26 to 33 also we are adding 7, and 33 to 40 also it is plus 7, and 40 to 47 also we are adding 7. Since we are adding 7 in this pattern, the pattern is increasing by 7. Let's try another example. In this pattern, it is starting from 80. From 80 to 65, it is subtracting 15, and from 65 to 50, also it is subtracting 15, and from 50 to 35, it is same, minus 15, and 35 to 20 also it is subtracting 15. So the pattern is decreasing by 15. Now let's practice these examples. What is the rule for this pattern, and what number comes next? Here the rule is 3, 9, 4, 12, 7 and dash. You are going to find out the number that comes after 7 and also the rule for this pattern. I will give you few seconds to find out this. Okay, have anyone find out the rule and the next number? Okay, here the rule is multiplying 3. First we are multiplying 3. Example 3 into 3, 9, and again subtracting this 9 by 5. So it comes 4. And again multiplying 4 into 3, it is 12, and subtracting 12 by 5, it is 7, and again it is multiplying into 3, so it comes 21. Example 2. What is the rule for this pattern and what number comes next? Here the pattern is 85, 94, 87, 96, 89 and dash. You are going to find out the next number and the rule. I will give you few seconds. Okay, are you done? So here the rule is adding 9 and after that subtracting by 7. And here the number that comes after 89 is 98. Example 3. What is the rule for this pattern and what are the next 3 numbers? Here the pattern is 12, 15, 18, 21, and you are going to find out the next three number here and also the rule. So for this also I will give you few seconds to find out the rule and the next three numbers. Okay, are you done? So here the rule is add 3 each time. 12 plus 3 is 15 and 15 plus 3 will come 18 and 18 plus 3 21. So 21 plus 3 24 and 24 plus 3 27 and 27 plus 3 is 30. Now let's learn about extending pattern. Patterns can be extended by deriving the rule being followed. Number patterns follow the basic mathematical operations being performed to get the next number in a sequence. Here is an example of extending pattern. In this pattern, two red stars with a yellow square and next two red stars with two yellow square and again two red stars with three yellow square. So in this pattern, these yellow squares are increasing. Let's practice these examples. In this pattern, first there is 2 square, next there is 4 square. So what will be the next? How many squares will be there? Okay, great. There is 6 squares. So this pattern is increasing by 2. 2 plus 2, 4 and again 4 plus 2 it is 6. Let's try another example. In this pattern it is starting from 1 and next is 3 circle and next it is 6 circle. So what will be next? How many circles will be there next? Okay, there is 10 circles. So here the rule is 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. Now let's learn how to predict the pattern. We can use dots to form patterns and predict the number of dots and unit shapes. Let's see this example. In one layer there is 3 dots and in 2 layers there are 6 dots and in 3 layers there are 10 dots. So how many will be in 4 layers? Got the answer? Yes, it is 15 dots. Let's try another example. In this pattern, it is starting from 1, 3 and 5. So next will be how many circles? 1, 3, 5. Think about it and guess the answer. Yes, great. It is 7. Let's look at these two examples. Here in this example there is 1 cane and next it is 3. And what will be next? Yes, it is 6. So here the rule is plus 2 plus 3. Next, 1 triangle, and next it is 2 triangle. What will be next? Yes, 3. Now it's time for the activity. Here is your activity 1. Open 6B textbook page 108, and there will be 2 questions for you. First one, write the rule and the next 3 numbers in the following sequence. And in the second question, you are going to extend the given pattern. Your second activity is in textbook page 110, exercise PA 1.1. In this activity, you have to write the next 3 numbers in the following sequence. Now let's recall today's success criteria. You will be succeed in this lesson if you are able to write the rules and next 3 numbers in a sequence, extend the given pattern correctly, and predict the next term in a pattern without making any mistake. This is the end of today's lesson. Hope you all got some new information from today's lesson. Submit your work on time. Have a good day.
DPS TeleClass